how many lights inside with this. It's nice. I think it's nice. And let's see. You can see me there. Ouch, ouch. My knees. You can see.
I'll never tell, just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets you're keeping, these promises strong as a spell.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing the unboxing of my new ring light. I bought it last week, but only this week that I have the time to unbox it. So let's see what's inside. And here it is. It is here. And it's written like, this ring light is for makeup artists. I am kinda aspiring makeup artist though, so I bought this ring light. It's from PRO.CREATIVITY 18 LED ring. So let's see what's inside. And this is the legs. The legs of this one. Okay, and let's start the unboxing. I already said in the store that they sold it because I need to carry it by myself. So let's see. I'm so excited to use it. I have two ring light actually, but I don't really like the reflection of it, the lightning of that. I'm not satisfied with the lightning, so I have decided to buy this kind of ring light because, as it says, it's for makeup artists. So maybe it has better lightning compared to my old ring light. And look what's inside. There is a bag like this. Oh, why is like this? I didn't notice that. They open it there in the store. Maybe it got wet, I don't know. PRO.CREATIVITY. I will just clean it and let's see. This one, it has this ring light. Oops. Nice, right? It's nice. With this mounting, and it's just like that, simple, very simple, but it has LED inside that gives you a very nice. What is this? What's this inside? The manual. It has a manual how to operate this. Okay, glow tech, and maybe it's the warranty. And the legs. Let's see. The legs. Because these legs, and you can adjust it like how long, how tall do you want it to be. And this is the charger, the adapter, so that's also a pouch. It's good if you want to travel and you wanted to take your ring light, so you can bring it. It's the adapter, so that you can connect it to the electricity. And let's see how good it is, maybe. And just like that. And it's just like that. Yeah. And I can bend it like this. And let's try it. How is it? Let's connect it to the electricity. It's very light. Very light. Connect it. Wow. Look at this. Look how many lights inside. You know, this. It's nice. I think it's nice. And let's see. You can see me there. Ouch, ouch. On my knees. You can see. Aside from ring light, last week I also went to buy something from MAC. So, and I also brought some empty container that I used before, like the container of the bottle of foundation and other makeup, that MAC makeup that I used, so that I can exchange it with the eyeshadow. And I'm gonna show you what I got. I bought a new Skinfinish powder. This one, and it's medium golden. The shade of this is medium golden, because my old one is I already use it, so I have new one now. The shade of this is golden medium. I used to put this after my foundation as a setting powder. And I got a new blush on. A new blush. It's also Mineralize. And the shade of this is, what is that? LiQWYD? No, it's very LiQWYD. It's LiQWYD. I was supposed to buy my old favorite blush, but it was not available. And I hope that this shade is nice. It's good on my face. Yeah, it's look like this. The shade of this is LiQWYD. LiQWYD. And aside from that, I get a free I don't know, maybe because I bought like 300 shekel and the sales clerk gave me a free highlighter. It's nice, right? Maybe I think this is the promo, and I got the promo. And let's check what's inside. Hyper Real Glow. Like this shade. Pretty shades indeed. What's the shades inside? What are the shades? Like a dream, get lit, gleam shin. It's nice. Maybe I'm gonna do another makeup video, then I'm gonna try this product. And the thing that I got exchanged for my empty bottles and empty container makeup from MAC Makeup, I got this eyeshadow for exchange. So you need to give them like six empty container, used container, like your powder, just like this. I gave them 6, so I still have 2 here, and I need to collect 4 more so that I can exchange it with this eyeshadow. But you can only exchange the empty container with the ordinary eyeshadow, not the collection. This is the only shades that I got, which is available. Most of the shades that I chose aren't available, and it's brown down. The shades of this is brown down. And at least I got, instead of throwing it into garbage, at least I got something in exchange. If I don't like it, so I can just give it to someone, to my friends, that maybe they'll like it, like that. Oh, I'm so sleepy. And that's all that I bought last week for my makeup. And thank you so much everyone for watching my video, for supporting me, all my video, my channel. Thank you so much for the love, and I'll see you again next time. I love you all, and please subscribe, like, and comment on my videos. I will be very happy if you do that. Thank you so much, and stay tuned, and see you again next time. I love you all.